Okay, on the surface area test, this seemed to be a question that a lot of people had difficulty with, so I thought I would go over it with you so you'd be prepared next time we do an assessment. So this is a triangle, and we're supposed to figure out the surface area of this triangular prism here. So most of you knew that if you had to draw a net, it would look something like this. You'd have your triangle, have the base of that triangle, another triangle up here, and then there'd be 3 rectangles. So the rectangles are here. 1, 2, and 3. So down here, this is 8.2, and this is 2. So first let's figure out the area of the triangle. So for an area of a triangle, you're going to do base times height, and then you're going to divide that by 2. So the area of the base of this triangle is 8.2. Right here, 8.2, and we're going to multiply that by the height, which is 6.4. 6.4, and divide it by 2. So that's going to give you 52.48, and that's going to be in centimeters squared. And normally you'd divide that by 2, which would give you 26.24 centimeters squared for one triangle. Of course, because we have 2 triangles, we have one on this side and one on the other side. Now we're going to take that number and we're going to multiply it by 2, and we're going back to 52.48 centimeters squared. Now you just have the 3 rectangles to do. So for the first rectangle right here, it's again base times height, and you can see that the base is 8.2 and the height is 2. So area equals base times height, which equals 8.2 times 2, which equals 16.4 centimeters squared. And then for the next rectangle, we've got 10.4 by 2 again. Area equals base times height equals 10.4 times 2, which gives you 20.8 centimeters squared. And then for the last rectangle, you've got 6.4, and it doesn't tell you right here, but if you look, you can see that if that's 2, that has to be 2 as well. So it's going to be 6.4, area equals 6.4 times 2, base times height, which gives you 12.8 centimeters squared. And that gives you the 5 different areas that you need. So what you do is you add all that up. You take the 52.48, and you're going to add the 16.4 and the 20.8 and then the 12.8, and you're going to add all that together, and you're going to come up with 102.48 centimeters squared as the full surface area of this particular triangular prism. Thanks.